Hello students, this is Supriya Mogle, Assistant Professor at Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. I am here to discuss about one of the interesting and very important topic of marketing management, that is marketing mix. So in this video, we are going to learn what are the different elements or what are the different factors are included in the marketing mix. First, we'll see the introduction part. Marketing mix is referred to as combining of elements such as product, promotion, price, and place. The elements are brought together to achieve customer satisfaction. That means marketing mix has four important elements that are four P's. Okay, product, price, place, and promotion. The term is named marketing mix because it suggests how a marketer mixes various elements, that is product, price, place, promotion, etc., in order to make a relevant and just right offering to the customer. The main objective of marketing mix strategy is to make the right product at right price at right place with right promotion. So marketing mix means marketer mixes various elements in right quantity, and he has to achieve the customer satisfaction. So the main objective of marketing mix strategy is to have the right product, it should have correct price, and it should be available in the right place, and it should have right promotion. That is called marketing mix. Marketing mix is a strategy which company uses to formulate a product or services offering to its customers. So marketing mix means it does not only for uh, products but or goods, it is also for services. Okay, so this is the diagram of product marketing mix. There are four P's of marketing mix. So you will have one short note like marketing mix, or you will get an example like write four P's of marketing. So if there is a question on marketing mix or four P's of marketing, you have to write these four P's. Okay, in marketing mix, four P's are product, price, place, and promotion. Product, price, place, and promotion. Okay, so we'll see one by one in detail. First is product. Now what is product? Product means everything which is you are going to offer to the customer and to achieve the customer satisfaction. This is the main part of your process. That means main part of the offering, the product itself, because it is the important aspect of the mix. Marketer needs to define his product very carefully, thinking about its value, its USP, its features, and competition. Means when you are running a business, you should identify which type of product you are going to manufacture, maybe goods or services. In goods, you will manufacture one product like any equipment or anything. Okay, and suppose you are interested in service sector. So for example, hoteling business is there, or any telecommunication, educational institutions, or airline facilities, etc., where you are going to give service to the customer. So that is also called a product. So you should define first the product, or marketer should define the product very carefully, and he should identify its value, what are the features, what type of features he is going to include in his product, and competition, he should know the competitors or the market survey, etc., then only you can proceed the process. Next P is price. Price, the price is the value of that product. Okay, pricing is the second most important element of marketing mix. Pricing is mainly determined the cost of the product and how much the consumer would willing to pay. Means cost of the product is, if there is good, okay, in case of goods, uh, raw material costs, production cost, two costs are there, okay. But pricing of service, if there is any service, okay, then pricing of service is tougher than pricing of goods, because in the goods you can calculate the raw material cost and production cost, and you will add some profit, make profit margin, and they, and then you can decide one price. But in case of services, okay, in case of services it becomes tougher, because it includes attendance cost, means who are attendants there, means labor. For example, in restaurants there are receptionists, or waiters are there, or housekeeping workers are there. So many people are working to satisfy a customer and to give a best service to the customer, so that cost you have to include. Then overhead costs are there. For example, in restaurants they charge for the cost of food serving, as well as charge of ambience, okay. If there is, 5-star hotel, then everything is really very good. You will have that good experience, that ambience you can experience. Or and on the basis of that, features, that performance, that ambience, that environment, the charge will go higher, okay. So if we and in the product, if we price too high, no one buys, and if we price too low, the company makes losses, okay. So we have to devise the right pricing strategy to make our marketing mix perfect. That means if you high price means no one is going to buy, and low price means company will have to face some loss. So it is really very important to have right strategy, so that company will also get some profit and customer will also buy the product. So that's why it is one of the important element in marketing mix. Third is place. Means you are going to distribute that product in every place, means it should be easily available to the customers. If we are making a product at the right price, that is not enough. We need to make it available at right place too. Means you have product, you have a right price, but place is also very important, okay. Means location of that service or of that product is really important. Service, goods are there, goods can move or goods can transported from one place to another place, but service cannot be transport or stored, okay. So location is very much important factor. And this is the supermarket, for example, okay. Supermarket, so it should have that important location, or it should be easily available, okay. Suppose supermarket is on mountains, then no one will go for buying, right. It should be in the center of the city, that so that everyone can come and purchase that product at the, whenever they want. But when you are going for outing, or you want some, you want to have relax on resorts, or you have to, you are bored now to that city and that routine, and you want some peace, and you want to live for 2 to 3 days at a peaceful location, then you will go outside of the city, right. Then resorts like Konkan in Maharashtra, it is really very famous. That means holiday resorts are located countryside, away from the rush and away from the noise of the city. But suppose the holiday resorts is placed in the center of the city where everything is having the noise, located in busy and upscale market, etc., then no one is going to come to you. Okay, so that's why place is really important. Or petrol pumps are there, petrol stations should be easily available. Most of the petrol pumps are placed at highways, you can see that. So place is really important here. And if in the services, service providers have to give special thought to where service would be provided. Means suppose there is one restaurant, so it should be located in busy and upscale market so that customer come and have the food. But holiday resort, as I have showed you, sell told you, located countryside and away from rush and noise of the city. That's why place is really very important element in the marketing mix. Then promotion. This is the fourth element in marketing mix, which means the communication done about the product to the customers. Means you know, company has produced the product, they have decided the price, they have done the place, but now customer should know about your product, customer should aware about your product. So this can be done through promotion. Means advertising on TV, on newspapers, digital media come under promotion. So here you are going to have communication between manufacturer and customers. So but in service it is crucial differentiating service officers. Means service providers like airlines, banks, insurance companies are there who invest heavily in advertising and to attract customers in the segment. So just like that, for example, sell, you can have some discounts, or you can give advertisement on television and newspapers, etc., and you can do the promotion so that consumer will know about your product, consumer will come to your product and buy the product. Okay, so it will increase the profitability or the sales volume, etc. So these are some four types of P's or four P's of marketing mix. So these were product marketing mix. And if suppose service marketing mix are there, so there are seven P's. Okay, means four P's are same: product, place, price and promotion. Three P's are included in the service marketing mix, that is people, process and physical evidence. Means people means the persons who work in service, they are also really very important, because customer service training for staff top priorities there. Okay, means for example, some restaurant is there, it is known for food as well as the service provided by staff. And the sixth one is process. Means some standard of service repeatedly delivered to the customers. Then seventh one is physical evidence. So service is intangible but provides add some tangible elements into their offering to enhance the customer experience. For example, hair salons is there. Okay, it is well designed, it has waiting rooms, and magazines are there, plush sofas are there to read and relax, etc. Or in restaurants, heavily invested in furnitures, in interior designing, decoration, so you can have that unique experience to the guests. That is called physical evidence. So price, place, promotion and product, these four P's are for marketing mix or for product marketing mix. And three additional P's are there: people, process and physical evidence. These three added to four, that is total seven P's are there for marketing services. Okay, or there are seven P's of service marketing. So I will give you one example of marketing mix. Okay, Suppose one company is there, okay, ABC Limited, and they want to launch a new burger, okay. So the first element of the marketing mix is product, and they have decided this product I want to have in my business, and we should be aware about the burger. Now, ingredients, what ingredients it needs, like bun or patties, that vegetables, other elements like cheese and sauces are there, should be supplied by suppliers. That is again element part. Then next we have to decide the price. Means uh, ABC already has burgers in the menu, and they can use comparative pricing along with the cost, or they can have a competitors price, they can compare that price. Then next is place, where you are going to place your product. That is, for example, this should be near to the city, or where everyone can come and enjoy the burger. Then promotion means you are going to have some offers, then advertisements, or like buy one get one free offers are there, some discounts are there, advertisement in the newspaper. So these are some practices of promotion. So this is the marketing mix you have to decide while having the marketing of that product. So here I complete my video. I hope you understood the concept 4 P's of marketing. Really very important topic. You will get one short note on this marketing mix or 4 P's of marketing. So I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.